What's going on? Michael Petty here. So listen, there's a concept that I'm gonna share with you guys, and the reason why a lot of people can sponsor a lot of people, and some people don't sponsor people at all. So here's a concept, right? A psychology concept, I guess I can say. When you're born, your parents tell you what to do. You go to school, teachers what to do, tell you what to do. Go to school, the professors tell you what to do when you go to college, rather, right? So you grow up and get a job. You get a job. Bosses tell you what to do. So the psychology is we are used to being told what to do. So I want you to think about that for a minute. Teachers, parents, everybody teaches you what to do. Then they say, hey, listen, go do this. So when you got a person that says, click the link down in the description, right? Sign up with the opportunity, and I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you how you can make $2,000 commissions. That's a psychology thing. That's something that's embedded in us since we were born, right? You have to give people directions. That's why some people sponsor people into a business and some people don't. Some people just want to teach. They want to share. I just want to share opportunity. I don't want to sell. We are in this thing to sell because we sell, we make money, right? The only benefit is when we help people make money, when we help other people, we make money, right? There's a other, what's the saying? What's the saying? Help enough people get what they want, you would eventually get what you want, right? Right now I can't remember who said it, somebody famous. Comment down below if you know who said it. But that's the psychology. From birth, we are being told what to do. We are being taught what to do. Then they say go do it. Then we go do it. Right? From birth all the way up. Then we get inside of network marketing and we have that employee mindset that want to learn. That's why some people stay in training mode and don't get out there and start marketing. Get out there and start working. Well, get out there and start working. Get out there and start marketing. Tell people, click the link down in the description. Get started. Position yourself and to earn $2,000 commissions. You can't start off with $149 and work your way up to $2,000 commissions, right? I'm gonna tell you what we give for anybody who follow directions I just said. Click the link down in the description. Get started at the G1000 and the G2000 level. This is what you're going to get if you make the decision to partner with me, right? You get a free copy and paste. You get a free copy and paste file. Mega swap file, 3 generational bonus training, which is 6-figure training. You're going to get access to the MLM Recruit on Demand, which is actually a training course. I'm going to waive the $15 free fee, but you're going to be able to earn $15 by sharing that course. You can give it away as a bonus like I do, or, offer it to make a $15 commission. G1000, G2000 members, you're going to get added to our private team chat, right? Ongoing support and training. And if you come in at G1000, G2000, I'm going to put the first member in for you. The reason is when you go to this page, when you scroll back to the top, you're going to see this here. When you watch the presentation, you're going to see why I put the first member in for you. So once again, click the link down in the description, enter your name and email address, watch the video on this page, get positioned at G1000, G2000, contact me, let's connect, let me put the first member in for you, get all these bonuses. Remember the psychology that people like to be told what to do. It's in you, it's subconscious, you cannot avoid it. You've been doing it since you were born. So remember that. Click the link down in the description, right? Watch this video. If you want to contact me. Get started. G1000, G2000. Let's position you to earn $1,000 and $2,000 paydays. Keep it simple. No gurus, right? We're going in the 3 generational bonus training and also inside of the private team chat, we're going to give you the answers. We're going to give you the answers. Like right now, I'm telling you, it's psychology. We're going to give you more answers, more things on the back end that's going to help you make these commissions, right? We keep it simple, right? There's training in there. The individual that's do $2,000 regular basis, he don't even use paid traffic, okay? And I'm learning the strategy. It's like you don't really need paid traffic. If you can get out there, get seen, right? Get heard, connect the voice to the face, have your face out there, okay? Find your way to get out to people, connect with people. And let me give you a strategy on Facebook and Twitter how simple it is, okay? There's a strategy. If you do videos, take a quote, take something of powerful, take something of meaning, right? Post something of meaning, a picture of you, put your YouTube link in the comments. Hell, put your YouTube link right there in the link on Twitter, whatever. Just, especially YouTube. You do videos, people see you and hear you, and you giving value. You take a quote from somebody, because people just like quotes. You take a picture of yourself. Say something of meaning behind the picture. Let people know, hey, the link is down in the description. Check that out. Put the link directly in the post. People are going to click in it, right? People are going to click it. So we're going to keep it simple. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to show you how to keep it simple. We're going to show you how to make $1,000, $2 commissions. If you can do that, if you can keep it simple, you're going to pocket some money, right? Michael Petty signing off. See you in the next video.